The Amazon Ads Middle East Guide clearly puts the back-to-school season between the months of July, August, and September. The same exact guide says that key growth categories in the UAE can include, of course, back-to-school products such as hydration products, food products, office accessories, even small electronic accessories. And funny enough, during this particular season, we also see a rise in demand for home and storage organizational products for a home. So if you are thinking of launching products to adhere to the back-to-school season, you shouldn't be thinking realistically, okay, what is trending? Let me look at TikTok. What you should be thinking or asking yourself is basically what is practical, what is timely, and what is easy to sell or easy for the customer to buy. So by the end of this video, you'll learn exactly what things to look for if you are thinking of selling back-to-school season products that might be a little bit seasonal in nature. I want to make sure that you know how to select products that are low risk and easy for you to sell, specifically if this is your first time launching a product on Amazon, or if Amazon is going to be a side business to your existing job or to your existing business. The Amazon Sellers Society is an award-winning agency, and we are a certified Amazon service provider based in Dubai and supporting sellers since 2019 on Amazon in the Middle East. Seasonal products can work really well, but only if the product is clear enough to launch and easy enough to sell. So let's get to work. Here's the framework that I would use, starting off with step number 1. Choose categories that naturally fit into the back-to-school season. Now, that might sound like it's a no-brainer, but also make sure that the categories that you select are open categories, which basically means they don't require additional approval for you to sell inside of those categories on Amazon, making it less of a hassle for you. So, of course, we see a lot of demand around school supplies, organization, lunch, hydration products, student accessories, and small tech. Now, the open categories are things like office products, luggage and travel accessories, toys and games, electronic accessories, and the home and garden also might be an interesting category for you to select as the season and the weather is changing between July, August, and September. Step number 2, focus on small, practical items. Do not overcomplicate things, specifically if you're selling something that is seasonal, maybe very specific to the back-to-school season and can't really be sold outside of that season. You need to ensure that the product is small, it's practical, and you want to avoid trying to sell a product that does a million things. Just focus on it doing a few things and doing it very well. It's very difficult to try to sell something to everybody. You're going to end up not selling it to anyone. You have to have a target audience. As an example, you can choose things like desk organizers, laptop stands, cable organizers, maybe pencil cases, backpacks, lunch accessories, water bottles, craft kits, storage pouches, learning tools, and compact study accessories. Why all of these products or something similar to them? Because of 3 main things. Number 1, they're easy to understand. Number 2, they're easy to photograph, because remember, at the end of the day, you're selling products that you need to photograph. You need to explain these products via a page on Amazon. And they are easy to manage as they're not bulky and they don't have technical details inside of them, making it easy for you to sell them and easy for the customer to learn how to use them. Going back to what I said before, step number 3, look for products that solve one clear pain point. Again, this is where sellers get things wrong, as they choose products that are so complicated that they do everything. And it makes it very difficult for you to sell the product online, because remember, a customer logs into Amazon and selects a product based on a particular keyword. So if there's no clear keyword for the product, if the product is an invention, then it's very difficult to sell it on Amazon. Maybe it would be more suited for you to sell it on TikTok or on your own website, as an example. And when the product seems too complicated, when you're explaining so much information inside of a product page, people are just gonna be they're just not going to select it because it just seems so overly complicated. So keep everything simple, make things simple, and make sure that the product does one thing very well, even if it does so many different things, but focus on one thing and target one thing. As an example, helping students organize their desk, carrying supplies more easily, reducing mess, improving study comfort, making lunch prep easier, or helping with tech cues during study. If you found this video helpful, comment the word school in the comment section below, and we'll create a secondary video where we do in-depth product research and show you how to find a cool back-to-school product that adheres to everything that I talked about in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you need help and support with launching your products on Amazon, reach out to us on our website www.assmiddleeast.org, where you can book a call with us and we'll guide you through all of the services that we can assist you with. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.